Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, is a flavorful and pungent herb widely used in cooking for its aromatic qualities. Besides its culinary uses, garlic has been recognized for its potential health benefits for centuries. Here are some of the well-known benefits of garlic, backed by scientific research. 1. Nutrient-rich. Garlic is low in calories but packed with essential nutrients like manganese, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and selenium. 2. Antioxidant properties. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which act as antioxidants, helping to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. 3. Heart health. Garlic has been associated with various heart health benefits, such as reducing blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and promoting overall cardiovascular function. 3. It may help lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while increasing HDL cholesterol. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. The sulfur compounds in garlic have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation and contribute to various health benefits. 5. Boosts immune system. Garlic's immune-boosting properties may help the body fight off infections and illnesses. 5. It is believed to stimulate the immune system and enhance the activity of immune cells. 6. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that may help combat certain infections, including the common cold and flu. 7. Improved blood circulation. Garlic may enhance blood flow and improve circulation, potentially benefiting various organs and tissues in the body. 8. Detoxification. Garlic can support the body's detoxification process by aiding in the elimination of harmful substances. 9. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that garlic consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, particularly those of the digestive system, due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 10. Improved bone health. Garlic may have a positive impact on bone health by increasing estrogen levels in females, which could be beneficial in reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 11. Aids digestion. Garlic can aid in digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes and improving gut health. 12. Respiratory health. Garlic has been used traditionally to alleviate respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It's essential to note that while garlic offers numerous potential benefits, it should not be used as a replacement for medical treatment. Incorporating garlic into a balanced diet can be a healthy addition, but individuals with specific medical conditions or taking medications should consult with their healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes.